finally I get my hands on the Chauvet DJ GigBar Move. Hello fellow DJs from around the globe, I'm JP and this is my YouTube channel Real Life DJ, where I try and produce useful, interesting and informative and above all free videos for DJs covering basically everything DJ related, from equipment and training through to your very own DJ questions. In this video I'm taking my first hands-on look at the Chauvet DJ GigBar Move. A few weeks ago I had a call from the marketing team at Chauvet DJ in Europe asking me if I would be interested in having a closer look at their Chauvet DJ GigBar Move. Having recently featured the GigBar Move in a video where I looked at the specification, I thought this would make a fantastic opportunity to make a follow-up video and allow me the time to really get to know the product. As a DJ who already has a GigBAR IRC, I already appreciate the benefits of having an all-in-one lighting system that's quick to set up, looks professional and has a compact footprint. The main highlights on the specification points on the Chauvet DJ GigBar Move is that it has a 5-in-1 lighting system which includes moving heads, derbies, washes, a laser and a strobe. Separate colour and gobo wheels which allow for creative programming. Automatic totem mode on the moving heads to keep them in the dance floor area where you want them. The package also includes the tripod, wireless foot switch and carry bag for safe transportation to and from gigs. I personally always recommend you buy carry bags for your gear as it protects them and makes them last longer. In this case the bag is free, bonus. With easy control options including pre-set programs on Sound to Light, DMX, there's a Show Express profile, wireless IRC 6 remote and the wireless foot switch. Before we go any further, can I ask you to hit that like button now, share to your social media of choice, and if you've not done so already, smash that subscribe button. These things really help small channels like mine and it's really appreciated. Thank you in advance. Let's now get hands-on with the Chauvet DJ GigBar Move. I have taken everything out of the outer packaging and it's now ready for unboxing and setup. So what we have here, we have a GigBar Move stand which comes in a nice bit of packaging there with carry handles and makes that easier to get it in and out of venues. We have the carry bag itself which has a side pocket here, which if we open this up, in the side pocket in here we have a couple of the bits and pieces we need to actually set it up. There's like a little widget for the laser. There's some keys for the laser as well, and there's a little screw bolt for the stand. So put them back in there for now. And we've also got the instruction manual and a IRC controller. Right. Nice bag, decent size. Let's open it up and see what we have here. See, that all stands like that. There we go. Right, we have the Chauvet DJ GigBar Move. As you can see, it's a moulded case, very much the same as the original GigBar, but opposed to having the little derbies here, they're now on top, and you have the moving heads here, as you can see, which is got the power cans and the laser. So let's get this now all set up. What are your thoughts on the Chauvet DJ GigBar Move? Let me know in the comments below. Personally, I think it's a product that can save a lot of time, effort and money. It's not by any stretch of the imagination a cheap product, but with the specification it has, you would worry if it was. That said, I don't feel it's expensive either. For what you are getting, especially if you are a DJ that commands a good fee. I could see this benefiting my smaller weddings and 40th and 50th birthday parties where I don't have a lot of space for my larger setups, but the client still wants a professional lighting solution and a wow factor. This is a perfect addition to my compact setup. I'll just have to decide what to do with my old one. Maybe you might see it in a future giveaway. Depends how long I'm allowed to keep it. Chauvet DJ, nod nod, wink wink. Anyway, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to press that like button now if you've not done so already. And on a very serious note, if you've not subscribed to this channel yet, then now is the time to do this. And don't forget to turn on that bell so you can be notified next time my videos go live. Until the next time, thanks for watching. JP out.